This course is intended to provide a foundation for microwave engineering. A rigorous treatment of the fundamentals of microwave engineering will be provided. The design of different passive and some active microwave circuits, subsystems will be covered in detail. This course will also provide an overview of the application of microwaves in communication and other areas. This is the third course towards the RSoft RF certificate course and the first 200-level course concentrating on RF microwave and radio transmission line theory and principles. Please note it is recommended for students to take the courses in order but not required. In our AHCH 200 we would be concentrating on the fundamentals of microwave and transmission lines and would be solving many practical examples by both calculation and ADS Keysight software. What will I learn? 1. Complete understanding of RF microwaves. 2. Transmission line theory. 3. Smith chart. 4. Matching. 5. Hand-on examples on ADS for matching, top level only. Do not get confused with our AHRF 209L ADS simulation course.